Hello everyone, myself Anurag. Today I am here to discuss with you all about disposal of effluent from septic tank. Disposal of effluent from septic tank. The effluent present in this septic tank contains 200 to 250 mg per liter of putrescible organic matter and even has a high BOD content, that is 100 to 200 mg per liter. There are various methods of disposal of this effluent, but we are going to discuss soak pit and dispersion trench.
Let us study about soak pit. In this image you can see a circular soak pit which is constructed of brick masonry or either stone masonry to the required depth. A soak pit, it is a covered, as I said, it is fully covered with the brick masonry or stone masonry porous wall chamber that allows water to slowly soak into the ground. What do you mean by porous wall chamber? You can see here small gaps left out at the time of construction. It is to allow water to pass to the ground so that it can soak the effluents which are coming from the septic tank to this soak pit. Now we'll learn about the structure of the soak pit. Here the structure is named by A, B, C, D, E. A is a masonry ring which is of stone masonry or brick masonry. P is stone or brick aggregate filled in the soak pit. It is so that to prevent the collapsing of walls and even to filter the effluent. C is brick chamber. Brick chamber is made to collect the effluents from septic tank. D, it is a 30 centimeter thick outer casing with coarse sand. And E is a effluent from septic tank, that is effluent pipe which is connected to septic tank, which allows effluent to collect into the brick chamber, which should be at a minimum height of 1000 mm, that is more than 3 feet. And even the opening of the septic tank should be minimum 3 feet or greater than 3 feet. A soak pit is filled with the coarse rocks and gravels. The rocks and gravel will prevent the wall from collapsing, as I said in the previous slide, but will still provide adequate space for the wastewater. Next is dispersion trenches. Let us study the schematic drawing of the dispersion trench. From a home, the sewage or sewage is laid to or allowed to pass in septic tank. From septic tank it is allowed to pass in a distribution box. From distribution box it is allowed to flow into open jointed pipes which are laid 30 centimeter in the length. For each distribution box there are 3 to 4 open jointed pipes connected at 2-meter interval. In the dispersion trench method, the effluent is allowed to enter into masonry chamber. Masonry chamber is same as the distribution box, from where it is uniformly distributed through an underground network of open jointed pipes into absorption trenches. Here is a distribution box. From these, the effluents are passed through open jointed pipes. These are the open jointed pipes and these are the absorption trenches. For one distribution box there is 3 to 4 absorption trenches. The width of one absorption trench is 1 meter and the length is 30 meter. The interval of one trench to another trench is 2 meter, as you can see in the figure, and the depth of one trench, that is up to 1 meter approximately. why the depth is provided is these trenches are filled with gravel and well graded aggregate as shown in the figure. Here you can see the figure of absorption trenches. This is the figure. Here you can see gravel and aggregate. These trenches are filled with gravel and well graded aggregate as shown in figure. The clearer water seeping down to the water table may come up to the plant roots. The water seeping here may come up to the plant roots which are grown on the top of the trenches.